Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a UK TikTok account. This process is simple and straightforward, but please watch until the end and understand it thoroughly. Before we begin, make sure you have a new Gmail or email account that hasn't been used to create a TikTok account before. Ensure that any Gmail or email account that you are about to use isn't linked to any existing TikTok account. Once your Gmail account is ready, let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on the three dots on the right top corner of your profile and you will see settings. In the settings, tap switch account. You will see a list of your existing accounts. Tap add account. You will see options to sign up with Google, Facebook or phone number. Before choosing an option, look below and find the section that says by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge our privacy policy. Tap on that NG, which stands for Nigeria. It will direct you to a space bar where you will select United Kingdom or any other eligible country from the list. Once you put in the location of your choice, you will tap on continue with Google and select the new email account you've created earlier. That's if you already created a new email account. But if you have any email account or Gmail account that you haven't linked to any TikTok account before, you can now use it. Next thing you do is to enter your date of birth and create a name or a username, a nickname for your UK TikTok account. To confirm you've created a UK TikTok account, tap TikTok Studio and look for Creator Reward Program or Creator Marketplace. These options are exclusive to UK accounts. Now that you have a UK TikTok account, it's time to put in the work. To unlock the Creator Reward Program, you need to meet the following requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old, have 10,000 followers, have 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Once you reach 1,000 followers, it will enable you to unlock your video gift feature. That's if someone likes your content and wants to just give you money as a means of saying thank you for your content, you can unlock it once you reach 1,000 followers. You don't even need to get to that 10,000 followers before you can unlock video gifts. The only essence of getting to 10,000 followers is for you to unlock the creators reward program. That's TikTok will be paying you. That's it. You now have a UK TikTok account. Remember to create a profile, upload a profile picture and start creating content. Don't forget to engage with your followers and work towards unlocking the monetization features. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple to do. It's not difficult because there are a lot of people that are charging to create a TikTok account for people residing in Africa. But with this method, you can be able to create it on your own without paying anybody. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, share and comment below. Let me know if you successfully created your UK TikTok account. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.